Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about how to solve harmonic sequence and answering the question, what is harmonic sequence? So let's proceed to our video tutorial on discussing harmonic sequence. Alright, what is a harmonic sequence? A harmonic sequence is a sequence whose reciprocals of the terms form an arithmetic sequence. So for example, we have 1/3, 1/5, 1/7, 1/9, and so on and so forth. This is our harmonic sequence. And if we get the reciprocal of these numbers, we will have 3, 5, 7, and 9, and so on and so forth. So this 3, 5, 7, and 9 is an example of an arithmetic sequence because their common difference is 2. So to get the next term, we just add 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, now the question is, how do we solve harmonic sequence? So to solve harmonic sequence, all we need to do is to use the formula in getting the nth term of our arithmetic sequence, where a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is our first term, n is our number of terms, d is our common difference, and a sub n is the nth term of our arithmetic sequence. Now, after getting the nth term of our arithmetic sequence, we need to get the reciprocal of our answer to get the nth term of our harmonic sequence. Okay, so now let's have an example in order for us to understand how to find the nth term of a harmonic sequence. Alright. Okay, let's have our first example for today. So find the 12th term of the harmonic sequence, 1/4, 1/7, 1/10, and 1/13. Okay, so next is we need to get the reciprocal of each term. So we will have 4, 7, 10, and 13, and so on and so forth. Then, we need to use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. And let's identify our given. So we have our first term of the arithmetic sequence, which is 4. So a sub 1 is equal to 4. Next is the number of terms. So n is equal to, since we're looking for the 12th term, 12. So n is equal to 12. Next, let's identify the common difference. So to get the common difference, we will get the second term, 7, minus our first term, which is 4. So our common difference is equal to 3. And we're looking for the value of the 12th term. So a sub 12 is missing. So we're going to solve for a sub 12. Okay, so next let's substitute the given to our formula. So we have a sub 12 is equal to 4 plus the quantity 12 minus 1 times 3. Yeah, so let's simplify using the order of operation. A sub 12 is equal to 4 plus 11 times 3. Then let's multiply 11 and 3. So 4 plus 33, that will give us a sub 12 is equal to 37. And to get the 12th term of our harmonic sequence, we need to get the reciprocal of 37, which is 1/37. And that will be our 12th term of our harmonic sequence. Alright. Okay, let's proceed to our second example. So find the 16th term of the harmonic sequence, 1/203, 1/191, 1/179. So first step is we need to get the reciprocal of each term. So we have 203, 191, and 179, and so on and so forth. Next is we're going to use the arithmetic sequence formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, next is let's identify our given. So first we have a sub 1, our first term, which is 203. Our number of terms is 16, so n is equal to 16. Okay, next is let's identify our common difference. So it is our second term, 191, minus our first term, 203. So we subtract. So our common difference is equal to negative 12. So we're looking for the 16th term. So a sub 16 is missing. So let's substitute the given. So a sub 16 is equal to 203 plus 16 minus 1 times negative 12. Now let's simplify using the order of operation, starting with 16 minus 1. So that will give us 15. And let's multiply 15 and negative 12. That will give us negative 180. 203 minus 180 is 23. And to get the 16th term of our harmonic sequence, we need to get the reciprocal of 23. Therefore, a sub 16 is equal to 1 over 23. And that will be the 16th term of our harmonic sequence. Alright. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please feel free to leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.